and you will see the way that you still got a hold on me, sweeter than a memory. Breaking all the promises we made, cut me like a blade the way you say my name. Never really learned to play this game. This time I'll give up without a fight. Baby, you know it's right, taking you home tonight. Give up my body.
So I've arrived in Prague, just listened to some street performer, and I've just been watching the head of Franz Kafka, the rotating sculpture. Not sure what I'm doing yet. Check into my apartments at 3. I have requested early check-in, but I'm waiting to hear back from them. So just enjoy a beer, chill out for a bit, and figure out the plan next. So I'm at my room. It's a keypad entry. Also, you can unlock the door with the app as well. I did get the impression that it's a bit out of the way. But no, this looks really clean, really nice. Big bed. Oh, nice and comfy. Massive TV. Coffee machine, coffee pods. Coffee pods for the coffee machine. Tea as well, kettle. Not the greatest of view. Yeah, it's a bit more out of the way than I thought. This is it's a bit of a walk to get here from where I was. It's quite a way to the old town. Here's the bathroom. Very clean, modern. Hair dryer down there, hand wash. Not bad, that'll do me. I'm gonna have a lie down for a minute, have a shower, get changed in my travel clothes, and head out, probably make my way into the old town, see the astronomical clock. Just have a chill day today, a few beers I think, and get my bearings. So this is the courtyard area of my digs apartment. Very quiet. The weather's still nice. I did just have a bit of a nap. I had a bit longer than I thought. It's gone 4 now, 4:41 actually. So yeah, I had a bit of a long travel day. This is the lobby area. Lime home, some nice plants. Yeah, so I did the night shift Thursday night. I did have a bit of sleep, and I packed Friday and set off. I set off about, I think it was about 8 o'clock at night. Got a bus into Nottingham, Broadmarsh, and then from there a bus from Broadmarsh to Heathrow Terminal 3. I think I got into Terminal 3 about 3 in the morning. My flight was at 7:15. And then a taxi from Prague Airport into the city centre, that was about £14 I think. Uber is the official partner for the airport for taxis. However, there's some booking machines, and if you use the booking machines, it was about twice the price of the app for BMW. Yeah, it's about twice the price of the app, so I used the app. Did have a few two beers by the Franz Kafka moving sculpture head. It was a Japanese beer. I think it's quite strong. Plus being tired, I think it went to my head a bit. So anyway, I've had a nap. Woke up a bit lethargic. I'm a bit tired from the travel, and the beer didn't help. I'm just going to have a walk down to the Old Town. It's about 0.8 miles to the Old Town. I'm going to see the astronomical clock. And hopefully get some traditional Czech food to do goulashes. See what there is to offer. Looking forward to trying some authentic Czech food. Bit of a park here, just round the corner from my digs. There's a nice building here. I believe it's the National Museum. Not going to go in today, but it is close by to my hotel apartment. So I'll probably go and have a look at it another day. The Museum. I'll walk up there and have a look. It's old building with a modern structure attached to the side.
Oni to drží.
There's some building works happening. So yeah, that's for another day. Lots of places to eat down this street, it's quite busy. Not sure if it's traditional food or not. Or grilled bream. Have a bit of grilled bream. We've got the old trolley bus tram. Quite a few modes of transport around the city. I think there's a metro, trams, buses, taxis. But it's I don't think the distances are too far to walk, to be honest. Might get one of the old trolley bus trams for a bit of novelty. Old looking clock tower. Oh, it's a bar. More than 400 whiskies in our Scottish bar. Might have to sample that later on the walk home. Prague seems like a pretty chilled out city. I mean, it is quite busy. I've come off the main thoroughfare now. But yeah, even in the crowds and the busyness, it's got a chill vibe. I'm pretty hungry now. So I found the Old Town and the Astronomical clock, but it only runs every hour. Right, it's 5:15 now, so I missed it. Yeah, I'll probably have something to eat and come back at 6. Okay. Just got myself a large dark beer. Try the Czech dark beer. This is a 1 litre. It's about £10 for 1 litre, so quite expensive. We'll give it a go. Cheers. Well, that is nice, very interesting. It's quite light actually. So I went for the Pork Knuckle. Not sure what that is. Sauerkraut. Some kind of soup. I think that's horseradish or mustard. Some bread. Time to tuck. I've gone for the apple strudel for dessert. Nearly finished my beer.
La calavera, como quieras.
So that's me done for the day. I finished up after watching the astronomical clock. I went to the Dubliner Irish bar, a few Guinnesses. It was about $5.50 a pint, so it's a similar price to UK. Which I'm finding is it's quite cheap compared to a lot of places nowadays. So yeah, just walking back up to the museum there at the top. On the way down, I went a bit of a convoluted way to get there, so we're on a more direct route back. Enjoyed my first day in Prague. It's been chilled out, I've not done a lot really, just had a few beers. I watched the rotating Franz Kafka head sculpture and the astronomical clock, having a dinner, Pork Knuckle. Just chilled out basically. I'm knackered to be honest from the travel day, so hopefully tomorrow will be a bit more productive. There's a museum that's got Warhol paintings and Dali. I've never seen any of them and I'm quite interested in the Dali paintings. I wanted to see some of them to be honest. I was planning on going to Barcelona and you can go to Salvador Dali's birthplace, hometown. Not too far from there, from Barcelona. and there's a museum there, but that's on the list of things to do. But hopefully I'll get to see some here. And Warhol, there's another artist as well, but I have heard of him, but I'm not familiar with his work. So yeah, it's a bit of an art gallery tomorrow, probably the castle, and there's a brewery. That's an old monastery turned into a brewery and restaurant. I'd like to eat it on the other side of the river, and I'll walk across it. There's a famous pedestrian bridge as well. So I forget what it's called now. So, but I'll walk across that. So yeah, hopefully get a bit done tomorrow. Enjoying Prague, lovely city, chilled vibes. Right, I brought a souvenir mug. My hug from Hungary vanished somehow. I don't know where it went, it's vanished into thin air. No one would admit breaking it, so I think this one's a metal cup, or probably won't break.